Hey boo, welcome welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time passing through my page, my name is Lux Messe, your new bestie. And for those who know me already, hey girl, what's up? How you doing? Welcome back to the vibes. You know what time it is. It's another day, another slay, another wig recommendation, and I'm here to put y'all on. So let's get right into it. Of course, today's video is sponsored by Love Me Hair. Shout out to them for keeping your girl booked and busy. For my regulars, I am so sorry. I know y'all probably tired of this whole intro, but you know, we gotta keep it polite for the newcomers, okay? So I gotta show y'all everything that comes in the box. If you're a regular, you can just skip right on through. But if this is your first time, these are all the goodies you get in your box, okay? An elastic band, edge control brush, wig cap, and whatever this is. I think this is like a wig applicator. I don't know, I'll explain it later. But today is a pretty short video because this is a put on and go, and these are my favorites. So yeah, Love Me Hair wigs are always fully strapped, okay? You got combs, you got straps, you're ready to go. Like, you don't even need any glue for this one, especially for this one. And today's unit is actually a yaki texture. I forgot the length, I'm not going to lie, but it's a yaki texture bang with the bang, and it has a little like lace at the top. I'm gonna show y'all later, but this wig is perfection. Y'all see how long this video is? This video is exactly 5 minutes. That's exactly how long it took me to put this thing on, okay? Honestly, it took way less than that. The only thing that took so long was the styling, and the styling to take forever. But y'all see the top of that wig, right? That's what I was talking about. It's got a little lace thing there to give the impression of scalp, which I love, and that's the reason why I have a wig cap under, because I wanted that spot to be a little brighter, so you know, it looks like it's my scalp. Yeah, and that's it, guys. That is literally the whole tutorial. I just put on the wig cap, slap the wig on, and then it's time for styling, as you can see right now. So yeah, I just went ahead and took my flat iron and gave, you know, my little bang a little bumps. My whole wig, actually, I gave my wig some bumps. You know, gotta give it a little life, because whatever's going on here, we don't know, okay? It came out the wig pack like that, and I know that wig pack has been through a lot before it got to my house. But anyways, yeah, go ahead and just get you a flat iron and start styling it to your desired style. I mean, amazing. Love Me Hair wigs, like, okay, Love Me Hair, they have everything you want, okay? A put on and go, a glueless, a lace, a freaking edge, kinky edges. They have it all. Like, seriously, y'all check their website in my description box below and go and indulge. And also, I have a code, which is Lux25, to get you 25% off. I promise you will find something you like. They literally have everything, and they are so affordable. Like, y'all, you do not have to break the bank for these wigs, and that's why I really love Me Hair. Like, it's really great quality for the price that you pay, and most of their wigs come ready to go, already styled. You don't have to do much to it. But y'all, look at this. It literally took me this long to achieve this look. I am obsessed, and this is so cute. It's like a blunt cut with the bang, and I don't do bangs too much, but ma'am, it is given. But yeah, so this is just me right here, because I'm just trying to flatten out the top. So of course I gotta spray a little bit of got to be glue spray, and then go over with my hot comb, because we want the top to be real flat, okay? We don't want to be looking crazy. But y'all see me, and don't I look cute? I think I look so stinking cute, for real. But y'all, I'm not even going to talk anymore. I'm just going to let y'all go from here. But before I go, I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I just came here to give you a recommendation, okay? And bam. What you think? Are you sold? You should be sold at this point. But if you made it this far, girl, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, enjoy the vibe, and I'm gonna catch you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and y'all be sure to check out Love Me Hair, okay? The link is in the description box below. Okay, bye.